The L1 forklift from EP Equipment is the world's first purpose-built truck using all the advantages of lithium-ion technology and starts retail at around €20,000. The L1 gives you the full advantage of lithium technology to ensure an optimum in productivity during the day, opportunity charging, maintenance-free, 24/7 availability and no emissions. The truck ranges from 1.5 tonne to 3.5 tonne in capacity and offers up to 540 ampere-hour battery capacity for long run times and 3-shift operation. The L1 is a real revolution, as EP Equipment is the first manufacturer to produce a frame around the advantages of a compact lithium battery. The truck has, by far, the largest legroom in the industry, leading to a more comfortable working position for the driver and less strain during long shifts. The truck is operated by simple manual levers, standard drive control as well as an electric brake for a maximum in energy efficiency and comfort. It can be equipped with up to 2 extra hydraulic functions like side shift and fork positioner and can be ordered with lift heights of up to 6 meters. As the lithium-ion battery is built and developed by EP Equipment, it communicates via CAN bus with the truck to ensure an efficient usage of the truck at all times. The cells are LFP technology, so you do not have to worry about burning batteries. EP batteries are non-gassing, maintenance-free and safe also in case of damage by force. The battery of the L1 forklift can be fully charged in 2.5 hours or opportunity charged for up to 7% in 10 minutes. With a practical driving time of up to 7 hours per charge, the truck can run around the clock with opportunity charging during the day. Starting at the 3-ton truck, the L1 comes in IP54 water and dust protection for usage in the rain. Also without cabin to make it the perfect truck for loading and unloading operation, usage on the yard and heavy-duty application. The truck can also be used in cross-dock application due to its opportunity-charged battery for availability 24/7. To get your own demo of an L1 lithium-ion forklift, contact your nearest EP dealer. The future has begun. Don't wait!